Alright guys, how we doing today? Hey, just thought I would give you a little heads up. We are making some fire starters. Now, bear in mind that we are actually using scented wax. It's what we had on hand. It works, not the most ideal. If you're going to use them, in a hideout situation, I guess, but it works. So we just melted a little bit of leftover wax we had from some old burned out candles. And there's lots of different ways that you can do it, but I have actually found that if you do 4 or 5 or 3 or 4 at once, the burn time is a little bit less, but they're easier to start. The more you soak them down, the longer they burn, but they're harder to start. So normally, if I'm going to really soak them down good, I'll do like 4 or 5 of them here at a time. I'll leave one spot on there where they don't get any wax at all. And all these are is just regular old wax, or excuse me, cotton facial pads that we got here at our local big box store or Walmart or whatever the hell you want to call it. But it doesn't take a lot of wax to do this. I've had one burning outside now for probably 4 or 5 minutes. Maybe what I'll do is I'll light one and we'll time it. Since I'm doing this on my phone, I can't really do a time lapse, I guess, but I'll have to figure out a way to do it. Maybe I'll shoot my watch on stopwatch mode or something like that. But this here, I mean, it doesn't take very many of them. I just keep them in old chewing tobacco cans or whatever, let them cool good, and they work pretty good. Here, break that in half once over here by the camera. There, see? I mean, and it's still got pretty good undone cotton in it, so it works pretty good. I'll go outside now and I'll see if that other one's burning yet. Alright, so I came outside and it did actually burn out, but there's still a few sparks going in it, or was, just till I picked it up here. But as you can see, all the wax is burned off of it, but there's still plenty more there that would actually take a spark. So this is just something I'm doing. You can kind of do this, is kind of just our way of doing it. So thanks for watching.